Are you ready to supercharge your real estate lead generation efforts? Get ready for the second activity that will skyrocket your business. So let's dive in. But first, before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't miss out on the opportunity to grab a copy of my new ebook, Unlocking the Potential of ChatGPT. Check the link in the description. So here we are with daily activity number 2, lead generation. New business is the lifeblood of your success, and ChatGPT is here to revolutionize your marketing and advertising game. It can create engaging social media posts and lightning fast online ads that grab attention and attract qualified leads. So if you're ready to turbocharge your lead generation with ChatGPT, reach out to me or click the link below to discover how this powerful tool can transform your business. And we'll see you next time on Create More Business Now.